Hello and welcome to Recipe Roadmap, the channel where I guide you through the journey of making delicious dishes from around the world. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make pancakes, a classic breakfast staple that can be enjoyed with various toppings and flavors. Pancakes are thin, round cakes made from a batter of flour, eggs, milk, and baking powder. They are cooked on a hot griddle or frying pan and flipped over to brown both sides. Pancakes are usually served with butter, maple syrup, honey, jam, fruit, whipped cream, chocolate, or any other topping you like. To make pancakes, you will need the following ingredients: 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 3½ teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 1/4 cups of milk, 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of butter, melted. You will also need a large mixing bowl, a whisk, a measuring cup, a measuring spoon, a spatula, a griddle or frying pan, and some cooking spray or oil. The steps to make pancakes are as follows. Step 1. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, salt, and sugar. Step 2. Make a well in the center of the flour mixture and pour in the milk, egg, and melted butter. Mix well until you have a smooth batter. You can adjust the consistency by adding more milk or flour if needed. Step 3. Heat a lightly greased griddle or frying pan over medium-high heat. Drop about 1/4 cup of batter onto the griddle for each pancake. Cook until bubbles form on the surface, about 3 minutes. Then flip and cook until golden, about 2 minutes more. Repeat with the remaining batter, greasing the griddle as needed. Step 4. Serve your pancakes hot with your favorite toppings and enjoy. And that's how you make pancakes. I hope you liked this video and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more recipes from around the world. Thank you for watching, and see you next time on Recipe Roadmap.